Hello, this is Nikki. Welcome to my channel. I just want to go through a few things that I got from AliExpress. This is actually my first video, so I hope you enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will have more videos in the future. Thank you and enjoy the video. The first thing I picked up from AliExpress were these small containers. And the reason why I bought these small containers were because I wanted to do some custom colors when it comes to my hard gels. And I thought these small containers would be a great way to do those. One thing that I did like about these containers that it did come with that lid as well as the cover. So it had double coverage. And it also came in a set of 60. So the next thing I got came from another store on AliExpress. It is a metallic silver gel polish. And it came in 5 grams. Now that's a pretty silver color. And then I got a nail art kit that also came from the exact same store that I got the metallic silver. And this nail art kit is the water glazed gel kit. And you're going to see me struggle trying to open this box. I kind of sped up this section of the video while I am showing you a few of the colors. I do want to apologize when I am opening some of the colors. It is a little off frame, but I made sure to show the color even if I opened it off frame. So I do want to make a note of that. And I was recording this on my iPad, so I do apologize for the angle of the video. This is my first video, so hopefully as I record more videos, I will get better with the placement of the video and making sure that I'm in frame when I am showing the colors. And because I am using a natural light, you do, and some portions of the video will see the sun glaze in the video as well, and I do apologize for that. It's not throughout the whole video, but some sections, because of the natural light, you will see that rays from the sun in the video. I'm going to stop rambling now and let you enjoy the rest of this section of the video. I will come back at the end to show a little more stuff. And thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you towards the end. The last thing I'm going to show you are these sets of flowers that I picked up from a store on AliExpress. And they are solid dry flowers, and they came with 2 sets of each color. I really like these flowers, and I can't wait to try them. The second set of flowers that I got were the bigger dry flowers, and they came on a stem, like a stem. And what I plan on doing is cutting them down into small little pieces and putting them on the nail. And I think they'll be really cute. So that's what I got those for. Now looking back at the video, I should have opened it so you can see the flowers close up, but I didn't. Sorry about that. And the last thing I'm going to show you are these black holographic butterflies that are really cute. Unfortunately, the lighting in this section is really bad, and it do not do these butterflies any justice, but they are some really cute butterflies that I got. I ordered a ton of stuff from AliExpress, and these are just the first few items that have arrived. I ordered these back on Martin Luther King, which was January 18th, and is now February 5th when I am recording this video. So it took about 3 weeks for these items to come, which is not really bad when it comes to AliExpress shipping. So I am grateful for that. But as more things come in, I will do more nail haul videos. And in the future, you will see more videos of me actually painting my nails and designing my press-on nails. So I cannot wait until the rest of my things come in so I can start recording videos.